Hello all, welcome to Z Square, Zeal and Zenith. It's been a long time that I have made a video for you guys. This time I came up with some interesting and some creative work. But yeah, these days were actually boring since I need to prepare for my end semester examinations and attend the classes and attend them in online. Kind of fun just because of that online examination mode. But yeah, examinations are always boring. And also, I trained my juniors for to get into my CTF team. They are cool actually. And as this video is dedicated to my decryption tool, my new or first decryption tool that I have made. It's a basic decryption tool. It covers some XOR. It covers some basic RSA attacks and XOR attacks. Let's see how it works and give your feedback. Yeah, this is my GitHub repository. This is the Z. The name of the tool is Zcrypt. It is a basic decryption tool. It has all basic RSA attacks and some single byte and repeating key XOR. In future, I'll release many more. This is first time, right? So I did some basic whether it uh, works or not. Yeah, it worked actually. You need to say though. Oh, I'm bad. It's too quick these days. After cloning the repo, we need to install. Sorry, we need to get into the repository. Okay. Yeah, already installed it, but just for the demonstration. Yeah, it's already installed. The requirements basically consists of PyCrypto, GM 2 and all sort of pawn tools, etc. Let's see how it uses Python 3, Zcrypt. Yeah, fine. Let's see the RSA demonstration first. I came up with some examples to demonstrate you. First one we'll see. See? Yeah, that's cool, right? The next one. We'll see the next one. CPQE. All these are actually easy, but just to show that tools are cool. I did this because only the reason is I couldn't uh, I couldn't write every time the same script every time. So I just want to make one script, one permanent tool, so that I can use this tool every time. All these examples of yeah, it's fine. All these examples I found from different sources, but yeah, it's working actually. CME6553 P or Q, anything. This tool is just for this tool I developed just because I'm lazy. I'm too lazy these days actually. Yeah, it worked actually. Now let us see Hasted attack, one of the interesting attack. Uh, Hasted, there was some discrepancy with the hashtag attack because I've seen some hashtag attacks with E equal to 5. Yeah, but Generally, hashtag broadcast attack is when only e equal to 3, which I've learned from. If you have any issues with the thing, you can just ping me on Twitter, or you can also put in the uh, video comments. Yeah, it also worked. Plain text. Yeah. Now let us see the last one. Small exponent attack. This is also cool. I generally put e equal to 3 for small exponent attack, but I have seen some challenges where e is 13 also. That's why I given the input here. Yeah, it also worked actually. Now we'll see XOR thing. Single byte XOR. Single byte XOR is the thing where it's like brute force attack. It covers all 255 bytes, 255 256 bits. Where is the plain text? Plain text. Um, yeah, it's here. Single byte is nothing but brute force attack. Now let us take the repeating key XOR. I just put in this in hex to avoid the confusion. This is from Crypto Hack. Yeah, crypto. This is also fine. If you like the video, guys, if you like the tool, just take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just take a moment to give a star to my GitHub um, to the repository. I'll just post the description in the link. Sorry, I just put the link in the description. Thank you, guys.